Our Ghana distributors were well represented at Kedi 2023 Mauritius trip. They had so much fun bonding with other Kedi distributors from Nigeria, Liberia, and the United States of America. Let's hear what they have to say.
We are in Mauritius enjoying ourselves, courtesy of Kedi Healthcare. It's a company that is very nice.
Vitanature, life is good from Ghana. Join Vitanature. You become a business owner.
I love Kedi. I love Vitanature. Your dream will surely come true.
Kedi Healthcare is the actual company you can trust. Kedi, one dream.
Vitanature, life is good. Vitanature, life is good. Join Vitanature and your life will never be the same.
I signed up in Kedi well over 7-8 years ago, and all too soon I am celebrating my Star 2 director. If I'm able to do it, you can also do it. All you have to do is to sign up to Kedi Vitanature. Sign up to this life-changing opportunity, and you will thank me later.
What are you waiting for? Join us today. Life is good with Vitanature.